I found this website here that will pay you over $500 for simply sharing your feedback on products. And what's even more amazing, they have over 2,000 case studies released every single month. And so guys, you see that there is a ton of money to be made because your opinion is simply high in demand. Now guys, I simply want to take this moment to say a special welcome to Real Money Wisdom. And guys, I've simply created this channel in order to share with you every single week ways how you can make money online. You see guys, after I finished university in Jamaica, a couple of years ago, I moved to Europe. And after 1 year of being here, I finally got my first job. I was so excited. But after another year, my excitement simply went down because I could never make ends meet. Because at the beginning of every month, I receive my paycheck. After paying all my bills, I simply have nothing left. And this was really a big stress for me. I know that I couldn't live like that. I know that I didn't want to work all my life and then depending on pension. And so I know that I had to find another way. I've tried so many solutions until I found the best ways how to make money online. And give thanks today, I can say my life has changed enormously. And over the last couple of years, I've managed to quit my 9-to-5 job and able to make a lot of money online. And you see guys, I know the money situation that I had, a lot of people is also experiencing this. And that's why I've created this channel in order to share the knowledge that I know in order to help people like you. So if you're finding some value, I'd appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this coming out every single week. Now guys, the website that I want to share with you is userinterview.com. And to get started is pretty easy. All you have to do is register, sign up for those case studies, and once you get approved, simply sign up for those sessions, complete them, and within days you will get paid. And here you can see that this website is a pretty legit website. Here you can see some of the testimonials, and here as well you can see that over 87,000 participants got paid in the last year. Now guys, the average payout is $65 per hour, but as I showed you before, you can make up to $500 per hour with some of those high-end feedbacks that you need to provide. And these kind of feedbacks are pretty exciting because you are sharing feedback for some of the biggest companies in the world right now, such as Amazon, Adobe, Pinterest, and even Spotify guys. That's pretty cool. And if you're curious about what kind of feedback this website offers, these are all online interviews, case studies, tests, focus groups, and the list goes on. Here you can see a list of all the studies where feedbacks are required. Some of these ranges from a few minutes to an hour or even a couple of days, and that's where the big money is. So if you have more than the average time on your hand, you can literally make a couple $1,000s every single month. And this could potentially change your life because not only will you be able to work from home and make a lot of money online, but this could easily help you to quit your 9-to-5 job. Now guys, I really hope that you found some value here, and if you do, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below, and see you in the next one.